Welcome to the HP2B Account Manager role, where you learn how account managers work with the address book, but only if you've been assigned the Account Manager role. If so, the Manage Account tab appears on the home page. Click on it to go to the Overview page. Click on My Requests, and the My Requests page appears. To view any request, click on the action icon. To go to Manage Addresses, click on Manage Account. You can view or add addresses from this page. Click on the Change Account Info link to view addresses for another organizations. All catalogs for that organization appear on a pop-up screen. Next, go to the drop-down menu to click on Request New Address. Select the organization, country, and catalog for the new address. Select the type of address you want, Bill to or Ship to. To create a new Bill to address, you must create a new sales contract ID. To do this, fill out all the fields in the Address Request page and click Start. A new screen displays the 5 kinds of addresses for that billing address and sales contract ID. You must fill out all 5 addresses before continuing. When the progress bar is 100% complete, save the address by pressing Submit. You will get a Request Reference ID. Finally, go to Address Requests to approve from Manage Account. Here, you approve or reject the address requests coming from other users. To activate this capability, contact your HP representative. For more details, go to the Account Manager Quick Guide. HP2B, IT Purchasing Made Simple.